In this video, I want to show you practically what invitations cost at different price levels and what you're actually going to get at those different price levels. So let's dive in. I've been a wedding invitation designer for over 10 years. I have a template shop, so those are like really DIY. We sell the template, you include all your information and print it yourself. We also have semi-custom invitations where the designs are fairly set and you just customize the text, maybe the colors, things like that. And then we have fully custom invitations as well. So what do these different price points actually look like? This is a suite that we have available as a semi-custom suite and also in a template. So when you get the template, you get the invitation card, the envelope liner, the details card, and the RSVP card. So 4 different pieces that you can use, and you can customize these however you want. You can change the fonts, colors, input all your text, and you're gonna print that yourself. The full set with all of the pieces is $22 for the template. If you just want the invitation card, for instance, that's usually like $12. So templates are really on the lower end of the spectrum, but you're gonna have to put in more time into printing, DIYing all of the text and information, making sure you get everything typeset correctly, and anything else that you wanna do to edit this suite. I love a template for someone with real DIY spirit, or if you want to like add a photo to the back of the card or do something interesting like that, it's a great use of the template because you can fully customize it to whatever you like. Now, if you want a little bit more help, if you want us to make sure we get all the wording right, if you want us to do the final designs and typesetting, but you want a little bit of control over everything, you can use a semi-custom suite. Semi-custom suites are great because you can typically see what you're getting. You can see most of the design, and then you can say, oh, can we add a custom watercolor here? Could we change the font color? Could we change the font itself? Could we change the details card to be an accommodations card? All of those things are perfect for a semi-custom suite. So it's like you like seeing what you want a little bit of hand holding. You want to make sure that there's a pro who's printing for you because printing can be very difficult and that we're using really high quality materials, but you don't want to necessarily fully start from scratch. So semi-custom suites come in slightly different options. Typically we do a 4-piece suite or a 6-piece suite. This is a 4-piece suite. It's got an invitation card, an RSVP card, and then 2 matching envelopes. You get to choose the colors, etc. And these are $5 a piece. So for 100, it's $500. This is our 6-piece suite, so it comes with those 4 pieces, plus a details card and the envelope liner, which is the little flower portion that goes inside the envelope. The 6-piece suite is $7.50, so that's $750 for 100 of these. Now from there, I like to say kind of the sky is the limit, but what are some realistic expectations of what you can get at different price points? So if you wanted to take this suite, this is a great example because someone once customized this suite pretty heavily until it was about $1,750 total. So here are the things that they added on, changed to make it go from $750 to $1,750. First, they wanted the invitation to be on double thick paper. So this is about 50 cents per piece or $50 for 100 of these. They also wanted it to be die cut into this ticket shape you can see on the corners. So that's going to be also 50 cents, depending on which shape you want. That could be a little bit more in price if it's a custom shape, or this is a pretty standard shape. So we were able to do that at a low cost for them as well. They also wanted this to be letterpress printed, so we can't letterpress the watercolor border, but we could letterpress the text. You can see it gives that really nice indent as opposed to just sitting flat on the paper. This starts at about $300 per card you're using it on. So the invitation is $300 to do all 100 of those. If you wanted to also do it on the reply card, that would probably be about $250 or $300 additional, and so on and so forth. But it's common to make an upgrade like this on just the invitation piece and leave the reply card and details card more simple with flat printing. And the other customization they wanted to make was adding a custom venue watercolor. These typically start around $300, but it depends on the complexity of your venue. If you're doing a map, for instance, then each location will cost maybe $200 or so, and then there might be a fee to put it all together. So it just depends on the complexity of the artwork that you need, but in this case, this would be $300. And then the last piece that they wanted to add was the address printing, and this is a very, very common upgrade. You can get your envelopes blank, but if you want us to print the addresses on them, then it's typically about $1 per address printed. So for this suite, for instance, we did the return address, we did the guest address, and then we also did the RSVP address on the RSVP envelopes. So that was $3 each. For 100 of them, that's $300 total. So we had $300 for the addresses, $300 for the venue, $300 for the letterpress, and then $50 for die cut and $50 for double thick paper. In total, that was $1,000 of upgrades on this suite that was originally $750. So it totaled about $1,750 for 100 invitations. I think this is a good example of some of those upgrades you can add, and you can decide which ones are worth it to you and which ones are not. There are, of course, other upgrades such as vintage postage, wax seals, ribbons, belly bands, all kinds of things that you can add to your invitations if you want to. This is why I always like to say the sky's the limit. I mean, if you wanted us to get these invitations like gold plated and deliver them on horseback individually to every single guest across the world, like we could do that, but it's always a balancing act of kind of your budget, what's most important to you and how you want to make an impression and how you want to maximize the invitations. So certain things are going to work really well if you're going in a more organic direction. Certain things are going to work really well if you're going in a more modern direction, etc. And we're always happy to talk through those options with you. Now, what about the custom side of things? So if we were designing this invitation suite from scratch, then we would start with kind of a blank page, and we're talking about kind of a custom venue watercolor. We're talking about a custom frame built from all these vintage watercolors. We're talking about custom typesetting, font choices, all of those things. So if we're doing all of that, including kind of custom artwork, custom design, custom typesetting, everything, then we're working with a custom suite. So kind of the difference is you're starting with a framework when it comes to semi-custom, or you're starting with absolutely nothing. We're talking about your story, the things that are important to you, and we're developing something totally from scratch. And then all the custom artwork is included. The only thing that might not be included in this pricing is just a map, because that's going to be priced out based on number of locations that we need to paint. But classic standard painting pieces for your venue, painting stuff for the florals and things that are going to go on your invitation, all of that's included in this kind of quote. So for custom invitations, most of the production stays about the same as for semi-custom. So if the 6-piece suite was about $750 to produce, that's going to be about the same on the custom side. The only difference is we have a custom design fee that we add. And right now that runs $1,500 for your standard suite. So as an example, if we were to produce this exact same 6-piece suite, flat printing, none of the upgrades, that's $750 for 100 pieces, plus $1,500 for your design fee. You're looking at, what is that, $2,250. If we're doing the upgraded version with an additional $1,000 of upgrades, that's about $3,250. And then if you wanted to add a map, if you wanted to do letterpress on all the cards, add any additional upgrades, it's very common for my clients to spend about $5,000 on 100, 150 save the dates and invitations. So I wanted to break down some real pricing and then also give you the visual so you can see exactly what you can get for different price points. So if you just want an invitation card that you can customize and print at home, you can get that for as little as $12. But if we are starting fully from scratch, creating custom artwork for you based on you and your fiance's experience, then you might be spending up to about $5,000. So there's really a broad range, and I hope I kind of gave you some ideas of what things will increase cost, what things will keep costs down, and what things you can kind of pick and choose and mix and match. Every designer is going to have different things that they allow you to mix and match and add on and take off, etc. But these are just our examples. If you want to shop all of our semi-custom invitations and templates, those are in our Etsy shop, which I'm going to link in the description for you. Let me know what questions you have about wedding invitation prices. I have a few other videos here and tons of tips on wording, timelines, everything that you need to include in your wedding invitation set, and so many more things that can help you put your perfect wedding invitation set together. So I hope you'll stick around and watch some of those videos, and thank you for watching this one.